Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 20 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. First of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now in the time settings, as you can see, we've got the date and time, so let's enter, and here we've got some options which are connected with the date and time, and unfortunately we basically cannot customize them because, as you can see, they are inactive. And usually it was active also. So it is because we are using the never provided time. So first of all, we have to turn off this option. So let's tap on auto set time and tap on off. As you can see, also you can set GPS provided time, it's up to you, but if you want to customize it manually, you have to keep it turned off. So let's tap on OK to confirm, and as you can see right now, we've got the date active, so we can freely tap on it and just by swiping change the date. All right. It can be something like that. Tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping, set the time you want to use. Tap on OK, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time format. Currently we are using local default, which is kind of set automatically, but of course we can, let's say, manually decide which format we want to use. So let's tap on the switcher to turn it off, and as you can see right now, we've got the 12-hour format, and if you want to use 24-hour one, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see, it will be immediately set. The same situation with the time zone. As you can see, it is inactive because we've got the time zone set automatically. So let's turn it off and enter the time zone. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available time zones. So basically find the one you'd like to set and tap on it, and let me randomly pick this one. Helsinki, it's okay. And as you can see, it has been immediately set. And of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. As far as I remember, we've set 8 o'clock, and right now we've got 9 o'clock. Here you've got also the dual clock, so you can decide if you want to use it. You can turn it on or off. You can set also the time zone manually if you want to, just the same way you did it before, just by turning off this option and choosing the time zone. It's up to you. So basically, this is the whole customization of date and time. Of course, you can get back to all previous settings, so to automatic settings, just by tapping on those 3 switchers, actually 2 switchers, and here change the options. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time in your INFINIX Hot 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.